What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Sonic the Hedgehog as a crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started along the top right side of our page with the top edge of the visor. So we start right in the middle of our page and draw a curve that goes up and then bend that down on the right. Let's round out the side of the visor. Starting back on the left, go out and then in, go in the opposite direction on the right side, and we'll close off the bottom. Starting back on the left, come down, and then bend that up. Let's move up and add in the ears. We're going to start on the top right of the visor, curve out, and then bend that up. Now from here, it's going to curve this in and then down. Let's line this up on the left side, curve up and out. And then from here, we're going to come down and then just bend that in. Let's draw the inside of the ears. From these 2 points, we're going to step in, draw a curve, going up, then in, and it'll follow the same curve of the ears, going up towards the top, and then back down along the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping in from the bottom, curve out, and then down, go up towards the top, and we'll trace the ear along the right side. Let's draw the first spike coming out towards the left side. From the top of the ear, we're going to step up, and curve up above the left ear, and then bend that down. And we'll pull that back in towards the head, going up and then in. Let's add another spike. And go out and then down. And then again, we're just going to taper that back up and in towards the body. Let's add one smaller spike along the bottom. Starting up here, curve out, bend that down. Just pull that up and in towards the side of the body. Now we're going to work our way down towards the bottom of the feet. Starting up here, go straight down, and then bend that in towards the bottom. Let's go underneath the visor on the right side, come straight down, and then we'll bend that in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. Go over towards the right side, do the same thing, and leave a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up towards the body, and we'll curve the body going out and up. Go to the inside of the right leg, go straight up underneath the body. Let's add an oval directly underneath the visor. And step down, draw an oval going around towards the bottom, and pull that back up towards the top. Let's add the backpack on the left side in behind the spikes. So we start on the bottom, curve out, then up. And then from here we go straight up underneath the first spike, go up towards the top, curve up, and then in. Let's add some shoes to our character. Starting on the left, curve down, and then in, go over towards the right, do the same thing. I'm going to step down, draw that same curve. Let's add a shadow across the lower part of the body. Starting from this point, I'm just going to curve this up and then in. And then from here, we're just going to curve down in behind that oval. Come down and in. Continue on the right side, going out and then up. And then we'll add a glare along the bottom of the visor. Starting from the top left, curve down, go across, and pull that up on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Sonic the Hedgehog as a crewmate. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.